Hi, I'm Jane Carmel Elipe,
And I'm Samantha Glis Maglasang.
and today we're going to dive into the fascinating world of magmatism.
Magmatism is the process that forms igneous rocks from the cooling of magma. Number 1. Plutonism. This refers to a type of magmatism where magma cools and solidifies underground. The magma intrudes into a crust form large bodies of igneous rocks known as plutons. Over time, erosion can expose the plutons that the surface. An example of plutonism is the formation of granite, which is a common type of intrusive igneous rocks.
Volcanism. This is the type of magmatism where magma reaches the Earth's surface and erupts from a volcano. The magma that reaches the surface is called lava, and when it cools, it forms extrusive igneous rocks. There are several types of volcanic eruptions, such as explosive eruptions that produce pyroclastic flows and effusive eruptions that produce lava flows. An example of volcanism is the formation of basalt, which is a common type of extrusive igneous rock. Both plutonism and volcanism play crucial roles in the Earth's rock cycle and the formation of the Earth's crust. They also contribute to the dynamic nature of the Earth's surface, leading to the creation of new landforms and the destruction of old ones.
Magmatism plays a crucial role in shaping the earth crust and forming new land masses. Here's how. Number 1. Creation of new crust.
Magmatism is a primary process in the creation of new crust. This happens at divergent plate boundaries, such as mid-ocean ridges, where magma rises to fill the gap created by the separating tectonic plates. As the magma cools and solidifies, it forms new crust, primarily basaltic in composition.
Number 2. Mountain buildings.
Magmatism contributes to the formation of mountains. For instance, during the process of subduction, when one tectonic plate is forced under another, magma rises and cools to form large bodies of rock, plutons, that can eventually be uplifted to form mountain ranges. The Sierra Nevada mountains in the US are an example of this.
Volcanic islands.
Magmatism leads to the formation of volcanic islands. When volcanoes erupt underwater, they can build up over time and break the ocean surface to form islands. The Hawaiian Islands are a prime example of land masses formed through this process.
Number 4. Plateau formation.
Large-scale volcanic eruptions can result in the outpouring of vast amount of lava over the surface, which cools and solidifies to form a plateau. The Deccan Plateau in India is an example of a landmass formed through such volcanic activity.
And number 5. Changing landscape.
Magmatism can dramatically alter landscapes. Volcanic eruptions can create new landforms, such as cinder cones and lava domes, while the intrusion of magma can lead to the formation of features like batholiths and sills. So in essence, magmatism is a fundamental process that drives the continuous reshaping and renewal of Earth's crust, Earth's surface. Over millions of years, as the Pacific Plate continued to move, the volcanic activity at the hotspot created a chain of islands. The islands get progressively older and more eroded towards the northwest, while the youngest and most active volcanoes are found towards the southeast. The volcanic activity has given rise to stunning landscapes, including lush rainforests, volcanic craters, and beautiful beaches. Mountain building. Magmatism is closely associated with the formation of mountains. When tectonic plates converge, one plate may be forced beneath the other in a process called subduction. As the subducting plate sinks into the mantle, It generates heat and pressure, causing the release of magma. This magma can rise through the overlying plate, leading to volcanic activity and the formation of volcanic arcs and mountain ranges, such as the Andes or the Cascade Range.
Magmatism has a significant impact on the Earth crust and plays a crucial role in the formation of new land masses. Here's how magmatism affects the Earth's crust and contributes to landmass formation.
Number 1. Crustal growth. Magmatism is responsible for the creation of new crust. At divergent plate boundaries, where tectonic plates move apart, magma rises from the mantle and fills the gap. As this magma cools and solidifies, it forms new crust. This process is known as seafloor spreading and contributes to the growth of oceanic crust.
Number 2. Volcanic activity. When magma reaches the Earth's surface through volcanic eruptions, it contributes to the formation of new land masses. Volcanoes are formed when magma rises to the surface and erupts, releasing lava, gases, and volcanic ash. Over time, repeated volcanic activity can build up layers of solidified lava and volcanic materials, creating volcanic landforms such as islands, mountains, and plateaus.
Intrusive igneous rocks. Magmatism also contributes to the formation of intrusive igneous rocks. When magma cools and solidifies underground, it forms intrusive bodies such as plutones, batholiths, and dikes. These intrusive rocks can be exposed at the surface through erosion, uplifting, or tectonic activity, contributing to the formation of land masses and creating distinctive geological features. Overall, magmatism is a dynamic process that shapes the Earth's crust and contributes to the formation of new land masses through seafloor spreading, volcanic activity, mountain building, and the formation of intrusive igneous rocks. It is a fundamental mechanism in the continuous evolution and reshaping of the Earth's surface.
Number 1. Hawaiian Islands. The Hawaiian Islands are a chain of volcanic islands located in the Pacific Ocean. They were formed through a process known as hotspot volcanism. A hotspot is a stationary plum of magma that rises from deep within the Earth's mantle. As the Pacific tectonic plates move over the hotspot, a series of volcanoes are formed. The eldest island in the chain, Kauai, is located to the northwest, while the youngest, Hawaii, also known as the Big Islands, is located to the southeast.
Number 2. Sierra Nevada Mountains. The Sierra Nevada is a prominent mountain range located in the California, USA. The formation of the Sierra Nevada can be attributed to the process of subduction. Around 100 million years ago, the Farallon Plate was subducting beneath the North American Plate. As the subducting plate sank deeper into the mantle, it generated intense heat and pressure, causing the release of magma. This magma rose through the overlying crust, but instead of erupting at the surface, it intruded into the existing rocks. Over time, the repeated intrusion of magma formed large batholiths, which are massive bodies of intrusive igneous rock. These batholiths were then uplifted through tectonic forces, exposing them as the Sierra Nevada. The Sierra Nevada range is known for its stunning granite peaks, deep valleys, and visually carved landscapes. It is also home to several iconic landmarks, including Yosemite National Park and Lake Tahoe. Hawaiian Islands and the Sierra Nevada mountains serve as remarkable examples of how magmatism has shaped our planet's surface, creating unique and diverse landscapes that continue to captivate us. Summary of the main points of magmatism. Number 1. Definition. Magmatism is the process that forms igneous rocks from the cooling of magma. It's a fundamental geological process that shapes the Earth's crust. Number 2. Types of magmatism. There are two main types of magmatism, plutonism and volcanism. Plutonism refers to the process where magma cools and solidifies underground to form large bodies of igneous rocks known as plutons. Volcanism, on the other hand, is when magma reaches the Earth's surface and erupts from a volcano. Number 3. Effects on Earth's crust. Magmatism plays a crucial role in shaping the Earth's crust. It leads to the creation of new crust and divergent plate boundaries, contribute to the formation of mountains, and can dramatically alter landscapes. Number 4. Formation of new land masses. Magmatism contributes to the formation of new land masses in several ways. It can lead to the formation of volcanic islands like the Hawaiian Islands and plateaus, like the Deccan Plateau in India. It also plays a role in mountain building, as seen in the Sierra Nevada mountains. Number 5. Dynamic nature of Earth. Magmatism underscores the dynamic nature of the Earth's surface, leading to the creation of new landforms and the destruction of old ones. It's a key driver in the continuous reshaping and renewal of the Earth's surface. Thank you. I hope this summary helps you understand the importance of magmatism in our planet's geological process.